So Gary, this is my 2003 that we paid $2,000 for. The bumper was cracked right here. It's hanging down like they bumped into something. One of these was missing, one was broken. The headlights were just dull. We polished them. And so on the paint, we did the front bumper. They fixed the front bumper. There's a big crack, so they basically plastic weld it. They redo it. There's $26 little brackets that reattach this. Really nice. We painted these. We painted the rear bumper, all of the fender wells. We had to paint the tailgate. We're going to paint your tailgate here. We're going to paint you have a spoiler because yours is a sport. And so this rear bumper was painted. All the fender wells were painted. The front bumper, and it cost us $1,000. Yours is probably about $800 or $900, probably $850 or $790. I'll take it over. That's about what that will be. On this one, it needed tires, brakes, shocks. So we went with Bilstein 5100s. I don't think you need shocks. We bought all 5 of your tires today for $450 installed. So your spare will be brand new because your Michelin was 17 years old. So we just happen to have an 03 as well. So yours will come out looking really good. This one has a little 2.5-inch leveling kit in the front that comes with those shocks. We're not doing that. That was quite a bit of money. The carpet was really dirty in this car. We had the carpet kit removed and pressure washed. It cost about $200 just to take the carpet out and clean it myself. This seat was ripped in the back. That seat was ripped on the driver's seat. So we're able to just do $200 in repairs to the seats because this was all ripped back here. But we had the carpet all cleaned, had the car washed, steam cleaned. So now we spent quite a bit of money on the tires and the rims and the shocks and the lift kit. This visor was broken. That was $80. Oops. We put a new stereo. We also ordered a new little computer here because that was broken. And so our $2,000 car now is about $6,000, but it would easily sell for $7,000. So this is that motor that lasts 400,000 miles. You already own that. These transmissions are amazing. Your rear end has what's called a third member, so it's like a little race car, and they just don't break. So we're gonna make yours as nice as this one for probably $800 for the paint, $450 for the tires, $300 for the seats. What else was there?
Detailing $150.
And then details about $130 to $150. And it will look beautiful, and you'll be so happy, and that's with 5 tires, so tune in.